So first thing we're going to do is take the turn signals off of this thing. Now, they are mounted by one bolt right up in there. And that bolt takes a 1/2-inch wrench. If you have a 1/2-inch ratcheting wrench, it's going to be really beneficial to you because there's not a ton of room to get your hand in there. You can take the rear wheel off if you want, but that's a whole other thing. But the wire for the turn signal runs along the inside of the fender here and into the tail light. You can see it right there. So in order to do that, in order to get this tail light off of there, or in order to get this turn signal off of here, we're going to have to take the tail light off. So this is going to require a small Phillips screwdriver. And this should just pop right off of there. Take your screws out, put those in a safe location where you won't lose them. And the seal might be stuck a little bit, so peel with care. All right, we are good. So if you want, you can unplug the turns or the tail light by pressing that little tab down and sliding the tail light right on out of there. I'm sorry, the little tab is on the bottom there. There's a little tab there, it was on the bottom. Press that up with your fingernail. You don't have to take the tail light off. It's nice to have it out of the way though. Then from there, we have two turn signal quick connects here. There's this one here, and there's this one here. This one on the far right is the power distribution for the tail light. Leave that one plugged in. So on the turn signals, a little push tab there on the top. Push that down with a screwdriver. That comes out. Push that one down with a screwdriver. That one comes out. So now we're going to take our ratcheting wrench. Move the wire out of the way. Actually, you could pull the wire through there. And get our 1/2-inch ratcheting wrench up in there. And lefty-loosey this turn signal off of there. You can carefully slide the turn signal out. Fish the wire up through there. Just like that. Take your turn signal, set it off to the side.